Hello everyone, welcome. We're working with regular verbs in the present tense in German. In this lesson we have a new verb. We have the verb bringen. Bringen. Bringen means to bring. The stress is right here. Bringen. 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 Remember, for regular verbs, these are the endings. All you have to do is remove the en to find the root and then just add these endings to that root according to the subject. So let's quickly go through that process. I bring. Notice I have my root here, and I just add my ending that goes with ich. Ich bringe. Ich bringe. I bring. You bring. Du bringst. You bring. He brings. Bringt. She brings. Sie bringt. And you bring. Sie bringen. Now the plural forms. We bring. Wir bringen. You bring. Ihr bringt. You bring, the formal you. Sie bringen. And they bring. Sie bringen. Normally when we use the verb bringen or bring in English, we bring something, and that something is what we call a direct object. So if it's a noun, it has to be in what we call the accusative case. So things we might bring are Bier, das Bier, der Wein, wine. If it's followed by the verb bringen, in other words, when it's the direct object, remember that der has to change to den. So we would say in this case, den Wein. And then das Wasser. Das Wasser and das Bier are also both in the accusative case, but das is the same for nominative and accusative. In other words, when it's a subject, it's das, and when it's a direct object, it's das. So let's look at these examples. If I want to say I bring the beer, it would be Ich bringe das Bier. I bring the wine. Ich bringe den Wein. Again, remember den because it's in the accusative case because it's the direct object. I bring the water. Ich bringe das Wasser. Remember, this can also mean I bring or I am bringing. So, ich bringe das Bier. I bring the beer or I am bringing the beer. He brings. Bringt. Bringt das Bier. He brings the beer. Bringt den Wein. He brings the wine. Bringt das Wasser. He brings the water. Sie bringt. She brings. She brings the beer. Sie bringt das Bier. She brings the wine. Sie bringt den Wein. She brings the water. Sie bringt das Wasser. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson and keep learning German, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.